Everyone, this is the onion, a green onion that I cut and I put in the water, and it when it's growing already and then it has a new roots, I transfer this in here so I can reuse it again, the onion. And I have one garlic also. Look at that is one garlic and four of the green onion. And also I have here that it's growing already, and I always, harvest and then replant it again. So it's really cool. I just saw that in the internet, and then I was just thinking, I wanna do it by myself, so I can see what is the result is. So I harvested again and reharvested again my onion. So I was so happy doing this because even it's winter, I have a fresh green onion. Okay, everybody, I hope you had all a good day and see you again. Bye bye.